Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, tell me, do you love music? Do you know the famous musicians and singers?
Michael Jackson, A.R. Rahman, A. Shudas, Lata Mangeshkar. These are the very famous singers who have reached great heights. Music is an important part of our life as it is a way of expressing our feelings as well as emotions. Some people consider music as a way to escape from the pain of life. It gives you relief and allows you to reduce the stress. So, students, today we are going to start a new lesson which is titled as The Song of Songs, written by Swapna Datta. Swapna Datta was a prolific writer in India. She has been a creative writer for more than 2 decades. The story, The Song of Songs, highlights the joy that music creates and also throws light upon the noble relationship between a guru and his student in the Indian tradition. So, we will start the lesson with the new words and their meanings. Exhausted means tired. Tanpura means a musical instrument. Exquisite means very beautiful. Strains, a part of a tune or piece of music. Rag Darbari, a popular raga in Carnatic music. Lit means to become bright. Admiration means respect. Bow means to bend the head. Summon means to order someone to come. Enraged means to make angry. So, students, now we will start our story. So, listen carefully. Tansen was tired and he laid his tampura on the carpet. The wonderful tune of Rag Darbari vibrated within the hall. Emperor Akbar looked up. His eyes lit up with great admiration. Akbar appreciated Tansen. Tansen was very happy to hear this and he bowed in gratitude. Akbar told Tansen that he has the most wonderful voice in the world. But Tansen told Akbar that there is someone who sings far better than him. Akbar was surprised to hear this. Akbar wanted that great singer to sing in his court. He asked Tansen to arrange it. But Tansen said that great singer won't come. Akbar was sad to hear this. Akbar said, if he doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. Then Akbar asked Tansen, will you take me to him? Tansen agreed to take him. But there was one condition. Tansen asked Akbar not to come as the emperor of Hindustan. Akbar agreed and he decided to go as a humble lover of music. So, students, did you understand the story up to this much? Okay, very good. Now, we will have the model reading of the text. So, all of you take page number 49. Okay, now listen carefully. Slowly, gently, the exhausted musician laid his tampura on the carpet. The exquisite strains of Rag Darbari still vibrated within the hall. Emperor Akbar looked up. His eyes lit up with admiration. Wonderful, he said. Superb. I listen to you every day, but I can't seem to have enough. Tansen, the musician, bowed in silent gratitude. I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world, said Akbar. But I don't, Shahanshah, said Tansen with a smile. There is someone who sings far better than I do. Really? Cried the disbelieving Akbar. Then I must have him sing in my coach. Can you arrange it? Tansen shook his head. I am afraid he will not come, sir. What? Not even if he hears that the emperor himself summoned him? No, not even then. This reply would have enraged any other emperor, but Akbar was different. Very well, Ustadji, said Akbar, smiling into Tansen's half scared eyes. If he doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? Yes, sir, provided you do not come as the Emperor of Hindustan. I shall go as a humble lover of music.
So, students, I hope you all have understood the story up to this much.
Now we will do the activities which is given in your textbook. Students, please take page number 58 in your textbook. Read the sentence given below. But Tansen knew how to get round him. Here, get round means persuade someone to do something. When the word get combines with around, we get a different meaning. Such combinations are called phrasal verbs. So, phrasal verbs are the combination of two or three words to get a different meaning. Refer to a dictionary and find out other phrasal verbs beginning with get and their meanings. So, get up means to get out of bed. Get away means to escape. Get along means to have a friendly relationship. Get on means to make progress. Get in, to arrive at a destination. Get round means to persuade somebody to escape. So, these are the phrasal verbs with the word get. Now, you may complete the following sentences choosing from the phrasal verbs you have listed above. What time do you get up in the morning? So, get up means to get out of bed. The security sounded the alarm and the robbers were not able to get away from the place. Get away means to escape. Good friends get along with each other quite well. Get along means to have a friendly relationship. As soon as I know the results, I will get on to you. Get on means to make progress. Now we will see the next activity. Look at the sentence given below. I can't seem to have enough. Here can't is the contracted form of cannot. Write the contracted forms of the expressions given below. Expression contracted form. The expression of the contracted form of do not is don't. I am becomes am. Does not becomes doesn't. That is becomes that's. Will not becomes won't. It is become its. I would or I had becomes I would. Now read the sentence from the story The Song of Songs. Slowly, gently, the exhausted musician laid his tampura on the carpet. Tampura or the tampuru is a musical instrument. Now look at the pictures of musical instruments given below. Violin, saxophone, cello, guitar, trumpet, piano, flute. Now we will have some word study. Composer means a person who writes music. Band, a number of people who play music together. Lead singer means the main singer in the band. Orchestra, means a large group of people who play music together. Conductor means a person in the orchestra who directs the musicians. Now identify the person who plays the musical instrument. So, one who plays piano is known as pianist. One who plays violin is known as violinist. One who plays guitar is known as guitarist, and one who plays flute is known as flutist. Now complete the sentences using appropriate words. The first letter is given for you. John and Tom play in a rock band. So band is a group of people who play music together. My friend plays the violin in an orchestra. Orchestra is a large group of people who play music together. Arun plays the guitar in the rock band. Canaries and his brother Aravind is the lead singer. Lead singer means the main singer in the band. Do you play any musical instrument? Tom is playing the guitar, but who is the keyboard player? There are 5 in the band, and they are all good musicians. James was the composer in several orchestras. Composer means a person who writes music. So students, I hope you all have understood today's class. So you have to read the story that I taught you in this class, and you should also write the answers of the activities in your textbook. We will see in the next class with the rest part of the story. Thank you students.